Tired of your TradingView charts lagging and slowing down your analysis? Let's fix that right now. First, we'll tackle chart settings. Head over to your chart settings, usually a gear icon, and look for the Appearance tab. Reducing the number of bars on the chart can dramatically improve performance. Try lowering the number of bars back, or max bars back, setting you can still zoom in when you need to see more detail. Next, let's manage your indicators. Too many indicators, especially complex ones, are a major performance killer. Go through your loaded indicators and disable or remove any that you're not actively using for your current analysis. For indicators that share similar data points, see if there are settings within them that can reduce their calculation load. Sometimes a simpler display mode is available. Another crucial step is clearing your browser's cache. TradingView, like any web application, can accumulate temporary files that slow it down. The exact steps vary by browser, but generally, you'll find this option in your browser's history or privacy settings. Specifically, look to clear cached images and files. This is a quick and effective way to refresh TradingView's performance. Finally, consider adjusting the real-time update frequency if your platform allows. While tempting to have instant updates, a slightly slower refresh rate can sometimes improve overall responsiveness. You can usually find this in the general TradingView settings. By implementing these simple adjustments, you'll be on your way to a much smoother and more efficient TradingView experience, letting you focus on what truly matters: your trading decisions. Thanks for watching.